Hey cat aficionados, ready to prove you're a true cat connoisseur? Let's dive into the ultimate cat breed quiz. Question 1. This breed is known for its striking blue eyes and pointed markings. What is it? Is it A, B, C, or D? Got your answer? Let's move on. Question 2. This giant breed is native to the United States and has a fluffy coat. What's its name? Is it A, B, C, or D? All right, last one. Question 3. This unique breed is known for its lack of fur. What is it called? Is it A, B, C, or D? How did you do? Find out the answers in the full video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun quizzes. See you next time, cat lovers.